Hello YouTubers, on today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare a London broil on my Weber gas grill.
Today I'm grilling my London broil on my Weber gas grill GS4. This is probably one of my favorite grills. I've used this, or I've had this for probably the last 2 years or better. I bought this for myself on Father's Day, my own personal present. Right now I've got the one burner on the right, and I've got that set down to the lowest level. And that way I'm going to keep it well under 290 degrees, and I'll be monitoring that with my temperature gauge. So I've got one probe into the grill, and the other probe is going to be into the meat. Now, after tenderizing my London broil using my 3-prong fork, I went through and poked holes all the way through it on both sides. This was going to help break it down, tenderize it. I then used my Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub, and I put it on both sides generously. Now I've probed it, and I've set my one probe on the inside of it. I got another probe on the grill, and that's going to be just to maintain the temperature of my grill. It's right here. And I'm going to try to keep that under 290 degrees. Actually, the temperature is going to be up to right around 225 or so. Now, the inside of my London broil has reached about 122 degrees on the inside, which I verified using my probe as well. And so what I'm going to do, rather than just to keep it on until I've reached my total inside temperature, I turned on my other two burners, the searing burner as well as a middle burner. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it over, and I'm going to time it for a couple of minutes on each side, and while watching that internal temperature as well. And I want to make sure that I don't overcook it, but I want to sear it. That way it'll kind of lock in that flavor. Okay, it's been on there for another 2 minutes. My internal temperature has reached about 140, 141, so I'm going to take that off. Shut everything down here and stop it from cooking. And we're going to let her rest for a while. Okay, now my London broil has reached about a total of 141, which I think is probably a little bit on the high side. And actually it's kind of jumped up a little bit more than that. So, but we'll let her rest and see how it comes out. Internally it's reading probably about 147, 148, which is like about a medium. And so, but it's crusted up pretty nice. So I'm just going to let it rest a little bit before I start slicing it up and taking a look to see how it is on the inside. Okay, the London broil has been resting now probably for almost 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and slice it and see how she looks. Understandably, on one end it's a little bit on the well side, but that's because it's a little thinner. But there, now she's getting a little rare. What I plan on doing with this is I'm going to be using this for sandwiches and salads. Oh yeah, now I'm getting into the rare section. It's a little thicker. Yeah, it's close to a medium, really. Well, we'll see how she is. Now that is a very good London broil. The seasoning is great. If I was to do anything different, I probably would have taken it off before it hit 125 degrees internally. I might have even done it at 120. I think if I would have done that, did the searing for 8 minutes total, 4 minutes on each side, if it was still a little bit on the rare side, I might have kept it on for a little longer. Otherwise, I would say it's just about perfect.
I hope you enjoyed watching this method of cooking a London broil on a gas grill. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And most of all, thanks for watching. And please feel free to comment or make any suggestions of your own.